Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a stutter effect in BandLab. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's two ways in doing this. So method number one is click onto that voice audio where you want to put in this effect. So I'm going to choose this, and then from here, the bottom of the screen, we've got auto pitch, effects, and editor. From here, click onto effects. And now we might be able to find some presets for this. So where it says none, click onto none. And now I want to do a search. So just search things like stutter, etc. They've got one here that we can use. But depending when you watch it, they might add more stutter style or stutter effects inside of these presets. Now the next way to do it, so what we need to do is select the audio region where you'd like to add that stutter effect. Then from there, slice the audio. So you can use the slice tool, which is shortcut press S to cut the audio at the desired point, or we can right click it and then choose slice here. So you can do that as well. And then from there, just duplicate the slice. So copy and paste the slice segment multiple times over a few beats to create that stuttering effect. And you can also adjust the timing and effects. So fine tune the timing on the duplicated slices to match the rhythm of your track. You can also add effects like delay or reverb to enhance the stutter. And now this technique works well with various instruments, including vocals, drums, and synths. It's a simple yet effective way to add a rhythmic interest to your music.